Today marks a new era for HVAC in the Carolinas. As the sun rises over our beautiful states, a new chapter begins in industry excellence and innovation. At Insight Partners, we pride ourselves on delivering top-tier HVAC solutions with a nationwide network of experts dedicated to the success of our local partners. Faulkner Haynes has built a legacy of trust and quality, empowering our teams to deliver exceptional service across every project. Together, as Faulkner Insight, we unite our strengths, merging decades of expertise to dominate the HVAC market in the Carolinas. Our success isn't measured by our individual capabilities, but by our collective efforts. Together, we are poised to deliver even greater value, innovation, and service excellence to our customers. Shared Mark Murray.